We have a Dayton 12-inch 3-speed box fan. I got this from Cleveland Fan Collector, as well as that down there and some other fans. This one was a pretty cool find. I've never actually seen Dayton ones. This one has the blue blades and the Dayton badge in the middle there. 3 speeds, much like the Galaxy versions of this. In fact, it's very similar to the Galaxy versions of this. The only problem is it does not have the original cord. It was cut off or something at some point and replaced. It would have had a grounded cord. There's the cord wrapped down there. Is there a model sticker under here? No. There's the bottom. Not sure what the model number for this would have been, but maybe someone can tell me in the comments below. But anyway, started off on high. Not a bad little fan. It does have some rattle, which I believe it needs fiber washers or spacers, which I'll eventually get to with it, but it's not a big deal right now. I'm just glad I found it, or got it, I should say. Go to medium. And of course, low. Not a bad little air mover, and it's really quiet. Go back to high. And OFF spells off. This thing works pretty well. It does rattle, but it's not as bad when it's tilted like that. So that's nice. I think I could use some oil too, but I haven't got around to this one yet. But it is really clean. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.